Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today we have another new product, and this one is from Truxedo. And this is the Truxedo Pro 15. So come right over here. And first thing, I'll show you some of the differences on this cover and what makes it really nice. First of all, it is a double layered cover. What does that mean? It means, well, it's got vinyl on the bottom. It got this canvas material on top here. Kind of gives it that more of a premium look, and it's a little bit more durable. Also, you notice this is kind of what they use on boats. Now, this is a Pro 15. What is a Pro 15? Well, basically, it's referring to the angle here. This is 15 degrees, so that it's very low profile. As you can see, it sits almost completely flush with the cover. So now let's go look at inside here and I'll show you some of the things here. Now, on this model, it just has one little lever, which is here, and that releases it here. And you can see it just locks in like that, and that's unleashes. Now, what I like about rolling covers versus some of the folding covers, it lets you have full access to the bed. So if you want to put, by the way, if you notice there's a support system inside here, so if you ever get rain or if you live up north, snow, it doesn't sag into the bed. Now here, as you can see, here's your second layer on the bottom. This is your vinyl. So it has, like I said, it's double layer. Now, instead of having a 1 year or 3 year or even a 5-year warranty, this has got a lifetime warranty, which is really quite nice. So it's a little up. Now, Truxedo is part of the Truck Hero company, and they do have promotions. If you have it professionally installed, you can have the warranty extended on there, which is nice. And if you come into our store, we'll tell you all about that. Now, this particular model, we can ship it anywhere in the country, and it's on it. This one is on a Toyota Tacoma. It's a brand new one, a crew cab with the 5-foot bed. Now, the nice thing is, as I roll it back here, as you can see, you're not losing any space in the bed. So if he wants to put items and use the whole bed, he can reach in here very easily and get whatever he needs. Where a trifold cover, and we do sell trifold covers, and I do like them, but they do have a tendency to stop right here. So you kind of have a harder time getting stuff underneath there. So this makes it a little bit better. And again, you got a floating Velcro here. Now, what's the benefit of that is as you know, with the sun, these things will stretch. So this actually floats, so it'll stretch with the cover. And that's a really nice feature. So you got a great warranty. You got the lifetime warranty from Truxedo. You got full access to the bed. You got the 2 layers here, and then you got the 15 degrees here, which is again your Pro 15. So it gives it a very nice look. And as you can see, it's extremely easy to use. It takes just seconds to get in place. And here's your little groove here and here, and it's real simple. You just put in a little groove and you just kind of push down. As you can hear, it lock into place, and you just go along the sides, push it on the Velcro, or I like to do, I'd take it and I pull a little on the tight side. I want that nice drum effect, you know. You don't have to, but it just gives it a nice look. Now, if you say, you know what, Chris, I want this, can I get it? Like, yes, come to the store, see John, Dave, or myself. We'll be glad to order like this gentleman. Hey, but if you live in another state, well, guess what? We can ship it anywhere in the country for you. You can either go to our website, which is listed in the bottom of the video, or just give us a call and we'll ship it anywhere you like. Either way, we can take good care of you. Now, if you like what you see, hit that little like button. It costs you nothing. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all the latest products. As you can see from our videos, we're constantly doing new stuff. And you want to see it, be part of our club. Subscribe to our channel. Again, this is a great looking cover. It's good function cover. It's going to hold up a long time. When a company gives you a lifetime warranty, it means they believe in their product. And I do too. I like Truxedo. And they gave me a hat too. I love it. So again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. Thank you.